Since you left me, I never really tried to put my life back where it should belong. And I've always let the past come back, not realizing that it could be wrong. But now I finally knew I had to let it go to make way for a brighter tomorrow. So now I'm leaving yesterday behind, and finally I've made up my mind to let the memories stay away and think about today. I'm leaving yesterday behind, 'cause now I'll try to live my life once more the way I did before. Since I know that I never will forget the memories that made my yesterday, I will try not to let it interfere with choices I will make along the way. 'Cause I'm not living in a world of fantasy.